come to the yellow box. Diagnosis of swine flu. For diagnosis of swine flu, liquid from throat of a patient is sent in laboratory. Diagnostic facilities are available in National Institute of Virology (NIV), Pune, and National Institute of Communicable Diseases, that is NICD, in Delhi. Okay, learn this full form. Okay, now come here. AIDS. Full form of AIDS is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Okay. So this disease is caused by HIV, that is human immunodeficiency virus. Okay, in this disease, victims suffer from various diseases due to progressive weakening of natural immunity. Okay, diagnosis of AIDS cannot be confirmed without tests in medical laboratories. ELISA test is used for its proper diagnosis. Symptoms of AIDS are person specific. Symptom of AIDS are person specific. Okay. Always remember, AIDS does not occur due to touching to and sharing the food with HIV infected person or by nursing the HIV patient. Okay. And our behavior with HIV infected person must be normal. Okay. Now, HIV was first reported in an African species of monkeys. According to the National AIDS Control Program and UNAIDS, 80 to 85% HIV infections in India occur through unsafe sexual contacts. Due to unsafe sexual contacts in India, 80 to 85% of it, what? AIDS become. Okay. Now, infections through animals. Can you tell? Here are some questions. Okay, read it. So, rabies. This is a viral disease. It occurs due to the bite of the infected dog, rabbit, and monkey and the cat. Occurs how? Occurs by the infected dog, monkey, rabbit, and the cat. Virus enters the brain via neurons. See, so danger. This virus enters the brain via neurons. Okay, hydrophobia is one of the important symptom of the disease. Which? Hydrophobia. Okay. In this case, the victim shows extreme fear for water. In this case, the victim shows extreme fear for water. Rabies is fatal disease. Okay. However, fatality can be prevented by timely vaccination before onset of symptoms. Symptoms starts to appear within 90 to 175 days of dog bite. Symptoms start to appear within 90 to 175 days of dog bite. Okay. Symptoms of rabies: fever for 2 to 12 weeks. There are fever for 2 to 12 weeks. Okay. Second is exaggerations in behavior and hydrophobia. Okay. So here is internet my friend. You have to watch the videos about the rabies on internet and collect the information about various preventive measures on rabies and make a list and discuss with your friends. Okay. Yes. Now come to the page number 10. Here they have given you question. Can you tell? Okay. B is now non-infectious diseases. Diseases which do not occur through infections and body contacts are called as non-infection disease. What are non-infectious disease? Disease which does not occur through infections and body contacts are called as non-infectious diseases. Such disease arise in human body itself due to certain reason. Due to certain reasons, this disease happens. First is cancer. Uncontrolled and abnormal cell growth is called as cancer. Group or lump of cancers cells is called as malignant tumor. Okay? Cancer can occur in various organs like lungs. It can happen in the lungs, in the mouth, in the tongue, in the stomach, in the breast, in the uterus, in the skin, and tissues like blood. Okay. Now, reasons: consumption of tobacco, gutka, smoking, alcoholism, and lack of fiber content, fruits and leafy vegetables in food. Excessive consumption of junk food like pizza, burger, etc. are some of the many possible reasons. Heredity may also be a reason. Symptoms: chronic cough, hoarse voice, difficulty in swallowing, an incurable scare and inflammation, lumps in breast, unexplained weight loss. Okay, now do you remember any person drinking the sugar free tea or avoiding consumption of sweets? What may be the possible reason for this? Due to, they will say, we are having sugar, we are having diabetes. Okay, you may be heard about this. Okay, now diabetes.